In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to appear offline on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and tap on your profile picture or profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on More Options in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, scroll down and find Messages and Story Replies section. Tap on it to access the settings-related messages. Within the Messages and Story Replies section, locate the option labeled as Show Activity Status. Tap on it to proceed. You'll see a switch next to Show Activity Status. Tap on that switch to turn it on or off, depending on your preference. If the switch is turned on, your activity status will be visible to others. If not, your activity status will be hidden. After toggling the switch, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your activity status has been updated. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.